Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, I am recording on 5th May for the performance of the 4th May 2021. There is yesterday performance. Let us see today. So I am getting comments from the YouTube viewers and my own clients saying that, sir, at the same day you are showing performance of all the script. So the video is becoming very lengthier. So please show the performance of only crude oil and Bank Nifty. So after subscribing to our indicators, we will do back test and all. So this is what the feedback I have received. So since every day the video is going for 30 minutes plus, so I want to shut down the length of the video. So now let me show you very quickly what happened yesterday. So before I start, I thank everyone for showing your support in our YouTube channel and by subscribing to our indicator. And everyone is giving a very good feedback, saying that the indicator is working for all the markets very well. So it is exactly working, perfectly working, perfect reversal entry we are getting. And we are happy that you are making profit by using the indicator. Just one client, few days before he subscribed to our indicator by paying only 15,000 rupees. Within 4 to 5 days, he has earned 85,000 plus. Okay, so it is how you are making use of the indicator. You are waiting only for one target. He could able to make 85,000 rupees in all the script whatever he has traded. And another client, he has subscribed just 2 weeks before. He was earned 1.8 lakh rupees. 1.8 lakh rupees in 2 weeks. Imagine what would be the brave what he has. But he said, sir, so far I was trading, but I don't know how to trade, where to trade. But now after subscribing to indicator, I am able to see the reversal point very exactly. Now the market is very clear to me. I'm using only the one indicator. I'm not following any other indicator. Only buy sell level. This each line I'm using a supported resistance. Okay. So once you subscribe to indicator, we will teach you one more technique called R3C. So that R3C also will be working very perfectly to all the markets. Okay. With this welcome message and feedback of the clients, so I will start today's session. So as usual, what you have to do, so in the morning after 9:35, you have to start with any script whichever you want to trade, then go to indicator setting. See, this is our indicator MST Core 2.0. So here we have given everything in the MSM 2.0. So first parts, it is the first buy and first sell, second sell and second buy. 4 things we have given. Actually, this is what we call it as MST Core 2.0. This is what we call it as MST Core 2.0. So what is that? Only if first buy activated, wait for the full target or at least for first target. If SL hit in the first buy, then go for the second sell. Book the profit in first target and exit from the market by taking double dot. Then if first sell activated, go for full target or first target minimum and exit from the market. Then if first sell SL hit, then go for the second buy and book the target at first target and wait for the target. That's all. So here, few people who are aged or they don't know how to understand it properly. So for them, I have given separately. They can enable the first buy, then immediately they can enable the first buy SL. Then they can enable first sell, then they can immediately enable first sell SL. They can enable second sell, then they can enable the second sell SL. They can enable the second buy and then they can enable the second buy SL. So it is very clear. And few people, what they are telling, sir, please don't give SL separately, so that no, we can save the space as well as we will not be getting confused. When I take first buy and second sell, it means that the second entry is my SL of the first buy. Second cell is my entry of the first buy. So they understand it very clearly. If the people for whom no they don't understand, then I can give first buy SL. See here, it will show here first buy SL. Otherwise, if you don't select this, if you are selecting second cell entry, it will show here as second cell, second cell. It means what? This is the SL of the first buy, and this is the entry place of the second cell, reverse order. So this is in such case we have designed. So here we have given extra targets for the second buy and the second sell. Why you have given extra level? If market is going from here to here, so after the fourth target of the third target of the second buy or second sell, we don't know where the market will go further. So to know that level, we have increased that level. Okay. Then we have given MST rainbow zone. So up to this only MST core 2.0. Up to this only MST core 2.0. And all other things are here. We have given moving average 1, moving average 2, moving average 3. And these are customizable. Customizable in the sense what? You can select whichever moving average you want to calculate. See here, if you want to calculate simple moving average, you can select. If you want to calculate EMA or the weighted moving average or SWMA or VWMA, you can calculate. And you can choose the source to calculate the moving average. We want open, high, low, close, high, low to average, or high, low, close average, or open, high, low, close average, whichever you want, you can choose. And further, you can give any number of moving average value. If you want moving average 5, 10, 15, 20, 200, 500, whatever it is, you can give. So like this, you can have 3 customizable moving average. So since there was a space to accommodate more content, okay, so I wanted to give you all this. Then we have time frame. So this you can use for the positional trade also. Then VWAP, people asked for the VWAP. So we gave them VWAP also. So if you enable VWAP, then it will show you the VWAP signal. If you enable show moving average, it will show you moving average level. So everything we have given. If you enable rainbow zone, it will show you the rainbow zone. So rainbow zone means if the candles are above the zone, then buy trend. If the candles are below the zone, then it is a sell trend. So if you keep in a long time frame like 15 minutes, you will understand the trend of the market very clearly. Okay, this is how this indicator is designed. So now let me show you yesterday's performance. So what I have to do? Initially, I have to enter first buy and first sell. So now I have to wait. I have to wait. Market has opened here. This is our sell entry. This is our buy entry. Market has not reached here first. It has reached buy entry only. So we have to take only buy entry. So now I'm going here. I'm deselecting the first sell and enabling the first buy. Okay. Now we got the entry at 4768. 4768. Here it is activated exactly. The low made was 4766. Only 2 points went down after activating our level. So first target 4807 immediately done. So whoever has traded 1 lot, they can come out of the market with 38 to 40 points profit. So those who want to wait for second target, they can wait. Then third target, it is missed just by 5 points. It is missed just by 5 points. So totally how many points you have got the profit yesterday? So from 4768 to 4880. 4768 to 4768 minus 4880. That is 112 points profit we got only in the crude oil. Okay, 118 points into 100 rupees equal to 11,800 rupees profit only in the crude oil. Now let me show you the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, here I have to type. See the time frame on the chart, you can keep 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. Any one time frame you follow. Okay. So I am following very less time frame only, 5 minutes, 10 minutes like this. So now what I have to do? So I have to enable first buy and first sell. Same procedure for all the markets. Okay. I will expand this. So now what happened? Market has opened here. It has not reached the sell entry first. It has reached the buy entry. Okay. But if you see, if you notice this, there is a gap of some 20 points. Our entry was 624.15, but the low made was 642. Okay. It means some 18 points. There is a difference. So I'm telling you can take extra risk of rupees 300 rupees. But here it is more than 300 rupees. For risk takers, they could have taken buy entry here, or they could have taken the option buy call here when it comes to nearby the entry, and immediately the target is achieved. And the second target also achieved. Okay. For those people who are waiting exactly for the entry, for them, the sell activated here in this range, sell activated, and first target done, second target done, and third target also done. Okay, third target also done. So it is up to you. If you are taking some risk, you can take, otherwise you can wait for the exact entry and you can take the order. So now what I will consider, since it is not in our condition satisfied, so I will remove the first buy and I will enable the first sell. So now it is clear. So first sell activated in this row, and first target done, second target done, and see the third target also exactly done. Exactly means exactly, right? Not even 1 point, 2 point, 3 point is missed out. Exactly, it has touched that level and it has reversed. Even if you are taking here buy entry, any call option, or if you are selling any put option here, then you will get profit in last minute also. And see how this is responding. Okay, now the candle is closed above this resistance and it is falling down, falling down, falling down. So this is how our indicator works, not only in Bank Nifty or in crude oil. It is working in all the markets. So how many points we have got? 33,110 minus 32,312. It is 798 points we have got profit in Bank Nifty. That is 19,950 rupees profit. So Bank Nifty in single entry, we have got 798 into 25 rupees equivalent to 19,950. Okay, next I will show you natural gas. So I will make it very soon, don't worry. So again, what I have to do, I have to go here and enable first buy and first sell. Wait for the entry. What happened in the morning? First, it is not reached the sell entry. Okay, first it has reached the buy entry. So now I have to remove the sell entry and enable the first buy SL. Hope it is clear. Now you can see yourself what had happened. So buy activated, first target done, second target done. Then it has given the fall. Still SL safe. Okay. But we booked two targets here. We booked two targets here. So what is how many points we have got here? From 218.6 to 222.1. 3.5 points you have got the profit as per the target I have calculated. As per the target I have calculated. It has given extra movement also, but I am not calculating. So it is 3.5 points equal to into 1250. 4375. 4375. So now we will restrict only with the three instruments. One is crude oil, bank nifty, and natural gas. So since the video is becoming very lengthier, so every day I'm going to explain the same concept, and I'm not asking you people to trade in all the script. Take any one script, be stick to with that script. That is enough for you. Okay. Hold on to any script, either bank nifty or natural gas or crude oil, and keep trading in that script itself, and you will get sufficient profit. Because I have seen the people who will trade, who will make the profit in crude oil and they will lose it in the bank nifty, and immediately they will jump onto the copper. There they will lose it for the high end. So that should not happen. We should protect our capital and we should protect our profit. So hope it is clear. But everything yesterday also it has given the profit. If you want, I can show you just for 1 second. Copper, what happened? And see here, buy and almost first target done, and almost first target done. I will enlarge it. See here, buy activated, and see how many points it has given. 759 to 764. That is 4 points it has given. 4 points means 10,000 rupees. How much? 4 points, 10,000 rupees. Okay. So that's the thing. I'm not calculating it. It is not that it is not given target. It will give the target. It is in profit of more than what we expected for everyday profit. To avoid the length of the video, to cut down the length of the video, so I'm using this technique. So from today we will focus only on three script. One is energy and bank nifty. Energy means natural gas and crude oil, and bank nifty will extra consider in the stock market. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please encourage all your trading friends and family friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, so that if they are not having any job, if they are not able to make money, by going to job sufficient money, then they can have one passive income from the trading itself. So this method is very simple, and even a kid can trade. In trading, don't try to acquire more knowledge. More knowledge is always dangerous. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. Bye-bye.